Samsung's newly released Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro tablet combines military-grade rugged ability with a lightweight platform to perform in any environment. Gamber-Johnson has worked closely with Samsung to offer the perfect mounting solution to ensure the most rugged, reliable, and responsive placement and accessories to support your newly acquired device. Whether it is used in public safety, material handling, logistics, or any other vertical, we have the docking and mounting solutions to keep your operations seamless. Ranging from a cost-effective cradle to a powered docking station, Gamber-Johnson will increase longevity to your device while keeping it completely accessible. To support a fully mounted solution, be sure to check out our vehicle integrated products and a motion attachment for your Samsung Tab Active 4 Pro docking station. Let's look at some of the features.